everybody and welcome to a new video. I want to show you what's been going on in the knitting department, and I have two things. Like today I really want to try to finish this sweater. It has one sleeve is complete, and the other one I just started yesterday evening. I've just been knitting on this sweater for almost a month now and I'm really ready for it to be done. I want to move on to another project, but I have another project I want to talk about, and this is this slip over. I have started in December and then abandoned after a week because I realized I don't have enough yarn. So I decided to just open it up again and give it another shot. So that's what we're going to do now. But before I cast on something else, or like the new sweater vest with this yarn, I do want to finish this sweater right here. So we'll see if that's possible today. Actually wanted to film another video, like the sit down portion of a video where I would just film for 20 minutes talking to you. I'm feeling insecure about my skin. The thing is, I do not feel bad like going outside, meeting friends, going to the grocery store. And now I don't have like extreme acne or something, but I just have like a few pimples. It's just not completely clear. Like if I record a video today, in 10 years people can look at how my skin looked today, and for some reason vlogs do feel a bit differently, so I don't feel that bad vlogging even though I'm not happy with how my skin looks. But I think it's just if I like sit down and straightly like talk to you for 20 minutes and there's kind of nothing else to look at than my face, that doesn't feel good. But I just want to share that too. Look how beautiful it looks. I'm now gonna eat my plant-based tart flambe. I think that's what you call it in English. And then I really need to get back to some work emails. That's really I think, one of my least favorite parts, maybe apart from hate comments, of being a content creator, but it's very important. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do after my lunch. Good morning from yet another lake I haven't been to in the morning or in the winter. So yesterday I really wanted to go outside, but I just didn't have the time because I needed to do all these other things. And I do have a lot of things to do today too. But I thought like it's important that I take some time to see the daylight during winter, and I think productivity is important, but only as long as it's balanced, or only as long as I stay sane and don't burn myself out because I'm trying to be so productive. And don't get me wrong, I'm here to film a part of this video, and I'm also gonna like shoot some other content, so it's not totally like taking a morning off. But still, I wanted to come out here to the lake to just have a beautiful morning, to also like maybe for 10 minutes not take out my camera and just enjoy the scenery. And then of course we're gonna go back home, and I need to finish that sweater because I didn't finish yesterday. I did it! It's done! I finished this sweater. When I came home from the lake, I also cut and edited and uploaded and published my first reel on Instagram. And you're of course welcome to check it out if you follow me on Instagram, or consider following me on Instagram. And I had like an interview, and I filmed another video, but now I wanted to show you, and I like knitted a sweater, and I now wanted to show you how it looks. I think I'm gonna call it the subtle rib sweater, because it's like not super visible, or it's like not how the usual like hand knit rib looks, but it's more subtle. That's why. And here you can see, if I step back enough, this is how it looks. Again, it's like on the bigger side for me. I can of course wear it, but it's like for a person my size or a little bit taller. So this is the sweater. We made it! And now I'm excited to start a new project. This is also where this vlog is going to end. I hope you enjoyed it, and now I actually wanted to recommend you watch the video here where I explain how to knit a sweater from start to finish, how to make your own pattern. It's a different technique than this one, but it's the technique I'm gonna use on my next sweater. Hope to see you there. Bye!